Hello, and welcome to our psychology and film project. The character we'll be assessing is the Joker from The Dark Knight.
The Joker is the antagonist of the film The Dark Knight. He is a psychotic anarchist who throughout the film causes destruction and chaos throughout Gotham City. As the Joker himself says in the film The Dark Knight to Harvey Dent, he is an agent of chaos.
We have diagnosed the psychological disorder of the Joker as antisocial personality disorder. The symptoms of this antisocial disorder include a lack of remorse, impulsiveness, deceitfulness, failure to conform to the rule of law and social norms.
One of the ideals that support ASPD for the Joker's deceitfulness, the Joker gives different accounts of how he got the scar on his face. One of the anecdotes he gives to a pimp in the film is supposedly his alcoholic father gave him the scar with his knife. The other account is when he crashes Harvey Dent's party and puts a knife to Rachel Dawes' face. He tells a different account.
Another symptom of ASPD is lack of remorse, and this could be supported by the prime example of lack of remorse of the Joker is when he stabbed one of the henchmen of the crime bosses through the eye with a pencil and kept carrying on with the conversation with the mob bosses as if it never happened.
The film accurately portrays the antisocial personality disorder. Even though it is a superhero film, the film is much more grounded in reality. That includes the characters. The Joker is someone who doesn't have a real job and has dealings with the police, politicians, and criminals. The Joker takes matters into his own hands, and his reasoning for doing them supports our diagnosis of the antisocial personality disorder. The portrayal of this psychological disorder in the film influences our understanding of the disorder by showing how dangerous this disorder could be for someone, and that treatment is essential to keep the public safe from harm. Thank you for listening to our presentation of the Psychology and Film Project of The Dark Knight.